How to fix Facebook can't send request. It looks like you may not know this person. Open your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Facebook. Tap on the Facebook app that comes up in the search results. Check for an update. If you see an update button, tap it to update your app. If it just says open, your app is already up to date. Open your Facebook app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon. It's the little picture or your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down through the menu that appears until you find Help and Support. Tap on it. Then tap on Report a Problem. You'll see an option that says Continue to report a problem. Tap on it. It might ask if you want to include logs from your device. Select on Include. You'll see a list of options. Tap on Friend Requests. In the text box that appears, type out a description of your problem. You can write something like, "Hi, I can't send a friend request because it says it looks like you may not know this person. This happens every time I try to add someone." Feel free to add any details you think might help them understand the problem better. If you want, tap Upload from Phone to upload a photo of the error message. This is optional but can be helpful. Tap on Send in the upper right corner of the screen. This will send your report to Facebook. Now, just wait for Facebook to get back to you. They should either fix the problem or let you know what you can do to resolve it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully reported the issue to Facebook. Now, just sit tight and wait for them to get back to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.